The most popular entry door by far from Woodco building products that people use for their back entry door is the door with the raise and lower blinds in between the glass. These blinds are actuated with a magnetic actuator. Every now and again, we get a call at Woodco saying that their mini blinds have malfunctioned. Most oftentimes, it is a reason for this actuator that comes misaligned with the magnets. I'll show you most oftentimes what the problem is. They will try to use the actuator to raise their blinds. It will go so far and the actuator will become disconnected from the mechanism inside that raises and lowers the blinds. There's a very simple way to fix this. Slide the actuator up until you hear it pop once. Go ahead and continue to shove it up until it stops, and give it one more shove until you hear the second pop. This aligns 2 neodymium magnets that is necessary to carry the weight to raise and lower the blind. Thank you for considering Woodco building products for your home needs.